Okay, so currently you don't want ox. Nobody will collaborate.
Mighty God!
No oxen?
I'm sorry, what does oxing mean?
I can only have coconut, you ox the coconut and you dig it out.
You know all about it, eh?
What's up, sis?
Sorry about that, y'all. So you could just...
Yeah. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video. And today, y'all asked and I delivered.
You do what?
Y'all said,
What did you say?
You do what?
delivered. Delivered.
Okay.
They asked and I delivered.
Yeah.
I have Lee and Chad in the hot seat. Y'all know how the last hot seat went. If you don't know, go back and watch it. Yeah, let's just not waste any more time and let's get right into these questions, okay? Make sure y'all go subscribe to their channels. It'll be up on the screen. And yeah, we're not no more fucking everybody know. So the first question is going to go to Liebert. Liebert, are you in a relationship or seeing anyone right now?
Or. I like to go with or.
That is unacceptable.
First question I didn't feel like I cried already.
I like to go with or.
Good answer, good answer, good answer.
Next question, please.
Mr. Lucci,
Man.
what's the last voice message you sent to Miss Lee Not Nice? Check your phone and let us know.
It's so crazy because I got no clue where my phone is. Or yourself? Voice message. I want to send voice message.
Oh, you did? Did you?
About what?
Oh, they're sending voice messages.
That was
It's confidential. And it's not like
Oh,
it was work.
Snapchat.
You have one saved in Snapchat?
Oh, they messaged on Snapchat too.
Joey, let me come here.
Let me know what time you guys are thinking. I know Shelby wants to shoot a video with me and you. You want to shoot a video and I want to shoot a video. So whenever we're ready, just let me know the time so we can get a plan together.
Such a friendly voice note.
Lee is the worst on timing. So we needed to make a time for today, and the time that we chose was 6-7 hours ago. You know what I'm saying? But we're here. Couldn't play the WhatsApp one.
Yes.
Lee Not Nice, how did your last relationship end? Give us the juicy details, please.
You laugh.
No, I'm a nose with that clear up, man.
So just come to that door again.
Hey.
Oh, that door.
Perfect. No, you came perfect
Like
timing, auntie.
You were just
Perfect timing.
Boy,
What do you need help with? I'm your guy. I got you.
girl.
So Liebert, as you were saying.
As you were saying, please.
As you were saying.
Yeah.
How many I said?
Yeah.
Would you like to repeat the question?
No man, no man.
How did your last relationship end? We want to know.
The people want to know.
It ended with a bang.
All right. Chadwick, do you have a crush on anyone you've ever collabed with?
Have I ever had a crush on anyone I've ever collabed with? Or do I currently?
Okay, have you ever?
Have I ever had
Yeah.
a crush? Yeah, maybe. Back in the day, yeah.
Okay, so currently you don't want ox. Nobody will collaborate.
Mighty God!
No oxen?
I'm sorry, what does oxing mean?
Take my word now.
Yeah.
No oxen?
Yeah, take my
What does
word.
oxing mean?
I can only have coconut, you ox the coconut and you dig it out.
You know all about it, eh?
Have I?
I'm sorry, could you repeat the question?
You got your answer of what hoxing is. So, with that information, is there anyone that you've collabed with that you'd like to dig out?
Talk you, boy, talk you.
Nah, not right now, nah.
So later.
They're not nice. Pretty simple one for calm down the room a little bit. What's your worst experience with a fan? Worst experience you've ever had with somebody who said them is a fan of Lee Not Nice? What them do you?
Worst experience?
You remember the girl with the tell us say you're pretty up on TikTok?
No one never said that. That's funny. So there was this fan, like I love her, you know. Kisses.
I said, mwah.
Kisses.
Kisses.
But she was kinda loud, she extra bad. So like me and Shelbert were walking and like what is this? I was so afraid. Nobody and never going to never know if I feel glad, if I afraid, if I feel sad. I don't know. I was just overwhelmed. And she nearly lit down one man and she just screamed and I got on like she nearly lit down one man. That was probably like the weird experience that I've had with a fan. Cause it's cool, no?
I said just cool,
Just
just
cool,
cool,
man.
not just
Cool,
cool.
man.
Yo, this hot seat is anything but cool.
Yeah.
Give me a cool question.
Turn up the heat, Bunny. Turn
That's
up the
probably
heat.
done with it.
We're gonna turn up the heat.
I'm gonna turn it up, please.
Chad, have you ever had with a fan?
No.
You're not a fan sexual?
I don't even, you know, I would never even, that's always been a rule of mine. I would never fuck a fan. I would never.
Suppose you got tricked.
What?
How would you feel if, you know, it was an undercover fan? How do you feel?
Well, if you could hold it down that much to the point where I really didn't realize you were a fan, then you just tricked me out of my drawers and she just get it. But like, I would not go out of my way to look a fan, and I wouldn't entertain any sexual combos with a fan.
Okay.
Yeah. I like Star.
Like what?
I like Star.
You like stars?
Lee Not Nice. Hi.
Hey.
The question for you is, do you think your ex will ever find a better girl than you? Why? Give a reason for your answer, please.
Whoa.
Like a split man?
Get up, man.
Can't get another like me.
Never.
Give the reason for your answer.
You'll never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I
Hey, man, I feel like you have me asking about it. Oh.
am. Ex?
Do you see ya? Yeah, never. Run next question. Cause Shelby followers them very antsy.
Chadwick, this is just a very simple question. I'm gonna ask you first, and I'm also gonna ask Liebert. It's just really simple. What brings you joy in life?
What brings me joy in life is just the freedom to do whatever I want. So I guess that could be money, that can be friends. As long as I can do whatever I want with whoever I want, I'm chilling. So it's just resources.
With
make
whoever
me
you
joy.
want?
Yeah, family, friends, you know what I'm saying? Dog, cat.
Is whoever you want in the room with us?
A couple of my friends I'm there right now. Disney?
Disney's
I
not
think
here.
all of them in here.
This is
Huh?
the dog. I must say, my answer is very similar to Chad's. Also the fact that, you know, I don't have to do a 9 to 5. I can do my content creating from my own time or feel like, you know, I can work off my own meds and have nobody don't get my neck back and pressure me. I feel like that's what brings me joy,
Facts.
to be honest. So I can do anything from my own time, work from my own time, eat, sleep, shit, same
I say
thing.
wake up 3 and just say, yeah man, the day this a start no. Me
Yeah.
this no
The
man.
fact that I don't have to do a 9 to 5.
Swear.
Yeah,
Hello, in the studio hotter than no questions.
exactly.
Chadwick. Them say, you want a hot question. So we run out of questions, but we got a dare for you real quick. Zine? Yeah. Him have him phone. Pan him, give him phone, please.
I have my phone.
Give him phone.
Just lose it.
I think
Search him, boy. Search him.
I don't even have it on me.
what's this?
Oh, my battery pack that, man.
Right.
Yeah, you just hold on to that. You're gonna need it.
So we're gonna need you to open the Instagram app, go into your message requests, and reply to the first female.
Reply to them and say what though?
Reply to whatever they said. Say if they ask if you're single, you're gonna give them the answer, and you're gonna also apologize for just replying.
Apologize for just replying.
Sorry, I'm just seeing your message.
Bomba, yo.
Glad.
This person has been storming me. Oh, it's actually somebody asking for a happy birthday for one of their friends.
Oh, no.
Should we just do it right now?
If I play-
Yo, I just want to say super happy birthday to you. Big up yourself. Your friend asked me to say happy birthday to you. I got a special guest that also wants to say happy birthday. Big up yourself.
What, ma'am?
It is a hot seat for a reason.
No, it's literally like a hot seat for real.
Bert, you did not escape. You should also do the same thing. But you're gonna respond to a male.
Watch blue ticks. See the first one right there? Yeah, try to find somebody when not ugly. Yeah, man, him been a caller. Him been a caller. Respond to the done. I want you.
And remember, you have to start off by saying, "Sorry, I'm just seeing your message."
You never do that.
Well,
Oh, I can literally do that. His last message is literally, Ali, I'm a baby.
right now, call him back.
Say, babes, sorry, I miss your call.
Call him back.
What?
Call him back.
No, you're switching the rules.
Yo, the hot seat have animal.
And what else? That's it? But hey.
Yeah. But hey.
If I said, but cash at me.
No?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, if I was a girl,
You say that, Rich?
I'd be saying that every single day. Cause somebody gonna cash at me.
Proof, guys.
Reaction time. So we just did questions, we did theirs. Now it's time for a reaction. We're gonna play a clip, and we want your reactions to this clip.
And an explanation.
Explanation.
Yeah.
What are they talking about?
Can you repeat the question one more time? I'm just trying to see if there's any
Name
loophole in
a
it.
local female influencer that you would like to smash for the culture, for the man them, for the dogs them, for the ghetto youth them will look on that girl every day. And
Where did y'all dig this up
just
from?
Let them sister you and them can relate to this right here. Who is it?
No balls, bro. No balls. I could name a few. I name a couple, right?
Alright.
But the question
I can
only
name a
asked
couple right
one,
now.
so I'm gonna give y'all one.
Right.
Tell her then.
Okay.
Lean on nice.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh, y'all want-
your shot. Your
I'm gonna leave
shot.
that too. I doubled
Your
it.
shot.
No, I had
You know I had to double it.
Your shot.
No, I had to double. I ain't scared.
I ain't scared. Yes, I did that. And I'd say it again. I actually, since that video, I could probably name a couple more.
We ain't asked for a couple more. But that leads me back to the question that I asked earlier. If you would have hoaxed somebody that you did a collab with, and you said no.
Well,
But this video says otherwise. And this was a very recent video.
nah, that wasn't that recent.
Oh, so you changed your mind?
I'm requesting
Are you
a
saying
fact check on the
did
dates.
you change your mind?
I'm just requesting a fact check
Did
on
you
the
or
dates.
did you not change your mind?
I changed my mind. I be changing my mind every day. I'm a different nigga every day I wake up.
This was just 2 months ago. So you mean to tell me?
It was uploaded 2 months ago. Flacco wasn't here in January. Big brains on a nigga.
Interesting.
That
was-
was posted?
Oh, it's posted.
Oh yeah, that's public as hell. Motherfucker saw that shit. For sure. Funny enough, somebody even brought that shit to my TikTok, and I was like, "Hey, shut the fuck up, little nigga."
Well,
There's more?
To ease the tension in the
I'm gonna
room.
start them up, please. Do.
Physically, what's the sexiest thing about the person sitting next to you?
Y'all are
Wow.
Y'all are taking the piss right now,
I
bro.
thought you said the questions were cold, so you know we had to heat
Y'all
it up
are
a little
taking
bit.
the piss right now. Her enthusiasm and intelligence. Her sandals.
Fuck off. What's the question again?
You.
Chad done that.
Bumper. Next.
His lips.
Bumper.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's spicy up in here. We're just gonna ask one last question. Chadwick, can you please put that away?
Sorry about that, y'all.
Yeah. So, Chad, I know you do this series of blind dates. Would you go on a date with Lee?
No, Lee's looking for her.
She's what?
Why both of y'all say that like that?
I'm what?
Lee's spoken for her.
Lee? Is that true?
Lee? Not true.
Lee gone?
Oh yeah, man. Lee?
Liebert, what is your response?
Don't throw that shit over here.
You got your answers. If you would like to see them again,
Chubby.
make sure you like and comment for part 2. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It was lovely having them in the hot seat. That's what I said. Make sure to subscribe to them channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all
Yo,
again
get Shelbert to 30K now.
by the end of May.
Now.
That's what we're doing.
Bam.
Mhm.
Now.
Yeah. See y'all later. Bye.
Peace.